It's grim outside and I need something to lighten up my day. So I'm going to making some vanilla cupcakes with flour frosting. You'll need 115 grams of butter, 115 grams of caster sugar, 2 eggs, 115 grams of self-raising flour and a few drops of vanilla extract. Set your oven to 180. Add your butter and then add your caster sugar. Now you want to cream them together. Whip your butter and sugar until it's creamy. While it's creaming, crack your eggs. 1, 2. Now whisk them up. Pour your egg in. Okay, that's done. I just need to scrape the sides up. Now pour your flour in and fold it in with your spatula. Let the mixer do the rest. And put it on. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I think that's done. Now you'll need 2 tablespoons. You get a tablespoon of the mixture and put it in with the other one and then get another one and do it for the rest. You're my honey bun, you're my honey bun sugar pie. Da, 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 da. I don't know. Honey bun sugar pie. La 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 la. Okay, so now my cupcakes are done. Some have got more and some have got less, but it'll be fine. Some will be big and some will be small. But now we're going to put them in the oven. They are done. You need 500 grams of icing sugar and 250 grams of butter to make some buttercream. Add the butter. Now we need to add our butter. Nearly a whole bowl of sugar. I'm gonna put it down and let it mix. I'm going to use these colours. Here are my 4 bowls. Okay, so now I need a spoon. Now we're going to add the food dye in. The first colour I'm going to do is pink. And this one. Blue. Yellow. Just for a bit of fun, I'm going to add some strawberry milk powder into my pink food colouring. Instead of just colour, it's also going to have a little bit of taste. So just maybe a teaspoon. We've got my 4 colours and 1 white. I'm going to add them all into the cups and they've got different textures for when you pipe them. So let's first do yellow. Okay, so now next bowl. Ooh. Note to self, clean your finger. My strawberry flavoured one. I can smell the strawberry powder.
These are my different flour nozzles that make lots of different fancy patterns. I'm getting very creative.
Flour cupcakes. They're delicious. 3 of them have got Oreo bits on and the rest are just plain with icing. Am I eating them now?
No, we're eating them now, and you'll need help eating them all.
Welcome, special guest, Clever. Let's roll. How are you already done? Mine's like a, little tart. Does it taste good?
Yeah, really good.
What did it taste of?
Well, the icing tastes.
Oh, my cat wants some. No, you're not having any.
Tastes like strawberry-ish.
Do you know why?
Why?
Because we put milkshake powder in it.
Really?
Yeah.
And then the sponge tastes like the best sponge ever.
What flavour?
Plain.
You mean vanilla?
Yeah, vanilla.
Look at it. Do you want some, mister? Not gonna have any. No. My icing doesn't really have flavour.
Does it not?
No, we didn't
Really?
put like banana milkshake powder. You ever tried that?
What, the whole thing?
Yes, it's just like a
How?
little slice. You just got.
How?
No, just.
Lemony.
It's got no lemon stuff in.
It tastes like lemon, so it's lemon.
Okay, apparently it's lemon. The yellow one is lemon flavour. Apparently, even though I did not put any lemon flavouring in, but okay.
It's yellow, it's lemon.
You do a dance. Goodbye. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a good like. Bye. Bye. Enjoy this video. Make sure you give a like
And a subscribe.
and that's all for now.